Brittany, open.
Alright. Brian, finish opening your... Brittany.
Brianna, sit down. Brianna, sit down. Open the other one. Open.
Oh my God, Shannon.
Brian, are you all right?
I love you. I got my tablet like I want to. Because we all got it. I thought this present was gonna be my iPad. Maybe I got my nails.
Okay, so what do you guys think?